Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a beautiful daisy flower blanket new design. For more details you can ask any of question, and for more details visit my website. In this video I will show you details for this blanket, new daisy blanket. I am using 3 colors, lightweight wool and 3 mm crochet hook with inch tape centimeter. Step by step I will guide you in this tutorial, joining the squares and make a complete blanket. 3 mm crochet hook with lightweight wool 3 ply. Let us start. To begin with the magic circle or make chains 5 and slip stitch. Make a small circle and start with 2 chains. These 2 chains we don't count. Make double crochet in the circle. 1, 2 chains we don't count. Double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue and make double crochet in the circle. 12 double crochet, make into the circle, row 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. These 2 chain we don't count. In the first stitch join with the slip stitch. Join with the slip stitch, first double crochet and change color. I have row 1, 12 double crochet. Make a loop, chain 1, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch and make double crochet. 3 together, make a cluster. Double crochet 3 together. I have 4 loops and make a chain 1, cluster into the same stitch. 3 double crochet, make together and chain 1, make a double crochet, cluster in the next stitch, 1 time, 2 times and 3 times. 3 double crochet. Incomplete, I have 4 loops, make together and cluster stitch, chain 1. Repeat around, chain 1, make a cluster in the next stitch. Double crochet 3 together, 1 time. I have 2 loops, 2 times. Now I have 3 loops and double crochet 3 times. I have 4 loops. Yarn over and make together 4 loops, make a cluster, chain 1. Repeat around the same work. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, chain 1. In the last stitch 12. In row 2 I have 12 cluster, double crochet cluster, make a chain 1 and slip stitch in the first cluster stitch. In the first stitch join with the slip stitch and change color. Make a loop and make a chain 1, yarn over in the middle of space between 2 cluster. Row 3, in the middle of space make a cluster, double crochet 3 together, make a double crochet cluster. I have 4 loops, yarn over and make together 2 chains, make 1 more cluster in the same space for corner. Now in this row we are making 4 corners cluster, 2 chains cluster in the same space. And now 2 chains in the next middle of space between 2 cluster, make a double crochet cluster again one time, 3 double crochet, make together 1 cluster, chain 1, chain 2. In the next middle space, make again a cluster, 1 double crochet cluster, yarn over and make a cluster, 2 chains. In the next middle of space, make a second corner cluster, 2 chains cluster. For every side repeat and follow the same work. Double crochet cluster, 4 loops, make together 2 chains. In the same space, make the second cluster for the corner, second corner as we have done here. Make a cluster, double crochet cluster, follow the same work around from corner to corner. In the next 2 space, 1 repeat and follow the same work. Okay, I have completed row 3, 2 chains in the last middle of space, make a cluster and then slip stitch, join, 2 chains, cluster, 2 chains and join in the first cluster stitch with the slip stitch. In the same color, row 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 row repeat. In the next 4 and 5 row, follow the same work. Row 4 in the same middle corner, start work 3 chains. These 3 chain we count first double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet into the same corner space, middle of corner, make a corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. In the next chain 2 space, make a double crochet 1, 2 and 3. Continue the same work to the next corner, 3 double crochet in every chain space across, 3 double crochet into the chain 2 space and make 3 double crochet into the next chain 2 space, 3 double crochet and make corner into the middle of corner, same work, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet. I have 3 times into the space, 3 group, into middle of corner, make a double crochet 3, 2 chains and double crochet 3. In every side follow the same work as we did in the first. From corner to corner repeat and follow the same work around, then slip stitch, join in the first stitch. Now for row complete, for this daisy flower granny square, join into the third chain with the slip stitch and change color, make a loop, and yarn over into the same corner, make again a double crochet, start into the corner middle of corner space. This is the increasing row. If you want to make a large square, follow the same work. Change color, double crochet 3, 2 chains, corner in the middle of corner, 2 chains, double crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3. Corner in the middle of corner. Repeat the increasing row for more larger size the square. Skip the next 3 double crochet. In the next middle of 2 groups, make a double crochet 3 and continue the same work to the next corner. In every space between 2 group, make a double crochet 3, double crochet 1, 2 and 3. 3 double crochet in the next middle space, double crochet 3 and in the next space double crochet 3 and corner in the next middle of corner. Follow the same work around, join with the slip stitch. Double crochet 3, 2 chains and double crochet 3 in the middle of corner. From one corner to the next corner, follow the same work as we have done here. Follow the same work around for every side corner. 1 time, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. I have 20 stitches. Okay, here we have done and completed. Join with the slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. Now finish off or make a slip stitch for joining 2 square. I will show you slip stitch in the middle of corner. Okay, now I will show you how to join these 2 square for this blanket. I have 5 row completed. Now the size 4 inches, one side 11 centimeter. Join these 2 square together. You can use any of way for joining this square, single crochet or slip stitch, or use needle for sewing. Now I will show you in the second chain 1, 2, 3. In the first corner of chain, we will start for joining both of the square. In the second loop, chain and second loop in the next square, here this chain 1. Start into the middle of corner chain, make a slip stitch, join together, and now start work for every stitch. Make together from corner to corner. Continue the same work. Join both stitches together with a slip stitch. You can use any of easy way for this joining square. Then arrange the squares for the sizes. I will show you full guide for this tutorial. Blanket, join with a slip stitch to reach the next corner. Now I will show you how to join the next 2 square. From corner, take both of the square and continue joining. Take again the second chain in this side. 1 chain count in one side in the corner and 1 chain count in the second side. Here this chain 1 count in this side and chain 1 in this side. In the middle of corner, start work for every chain both of the square and then continue from here, joining the next two. Continue joining the next two square together into the first two square, and then take the next two and follow the same work. In the next double crochet, in the next double crochet of the second square, continue work the same slip stitch. Join together both square with the slip stitch in every stitch to the next corner, then take the next two square and follow the same work. Here two stitches make together with the slip stitch. In one row we will need 6 square and repeat 8 row for this blanket. Here in the width we will need 6 square. In the size 5 square 20 inches, and here the next square 6 24, and repeat 8 row for every row. We will need 6 square and repeat 8 row for this blanket. If you need more length, 20 inches 24, the next 4 inches. If you want to add next square, the length for 24 inches, every square 4 inches, the next square. Repeat in one row 6 square and repeat for the length 8 row, and then complete the blanket. The blanket size 24 and 32, 8 square 32 length and 6 square. Arrange and slip stitch, join, arrange and then sew and join all together, then around make a shell or other edging design. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.